How to convert files into PDF in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. You will need this CamScanner app. Make sure you have already downloaded this app. You can get this app easily from Play Store or App Store. You can see that I have already downloaded it. Now you have to open this app. Over here you can see different options. Tap on this option, import files. Now select the file that you want to convert into PDF. Here I go. Tap on open. Now at the bottom you can see the option of share. Tap on it and then select the option of PDF. Your file is converted into PDF. In this way, you can easily convert file into PDF using CamScanner app. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to convert files into PDF. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.